Monday.com for designers. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to use Monday.com, which is well known for a platform that is going to be a project management or a portfolio creation management into your specific dashboard. So we're going to show you how to use the specific platform for designers. And that means that we're going to make for example, a project, or you can go ahead and create it for a specific portfolio, or you can have here a list of tasks that you're going to put for yourself. So in here, as you can see, I have already got my workspace on the specific Monday.com platform. We're going to have it right away in here, and then we're going to have it just like that. This is the dashboard. Now, what are we going to do? Basically, on the dashboard of this, we're going to have multiple, let's say, items. And the most convenient or the most important item that we're going to seek for is going to be the workspaces, which is going to be represented with the four squares. So we are going to have a workspace, and for that workspace, we can go ahead and add some specific, let's say here, items. We can have here some projects, portfolios, and boards, docs, etc. So for project and portfolio, you need to have an enterprise plan, I think. And I don't think that this is normal in my opinion, but it is what it is. So you can go ahead and not use the specific project or portfolio. You can go ahead and head over only the free version of this. And then you can go ahead and specify the work for a specific board or a doc or a dashboard or something like that. So, for example, you can go ahead and let the project and portfolio files go down. Maybe they are going to be much organized than that, but you're going to have, as you can see, the first project that I have here. So the project is going to contain multiple views, main tables, get views, and whatever. So this is going to be a, let's say here, a project. Now, as you can see, you can have here the right to have only one project per free icon or per free account. I mean by that, and you're going to set up, as you can see, everything. So the project is going to have or is going to make in order the tasks, the owners of the tasks, the status, dates, and whatever column that you're going to put. So, for example, in here, we're going to have here a design for a project that we're going to create for a specific design for a enterprise, a client, or whatever. We're going to head over the dashboard. And that dashboard, for example, you can go ahead and have and see the multiple views. So beforehand here, I'm not going to create a dashboard, but I'm going to let you see here the exact steps that you need to follow. So you're going to create a board first. So we are going to name that board for the design, maybe design one. I'm going to have it as main because we do not need it as private or shareable because it is going to be concerning us only, for example, as a creator or a designer and also the part of the team. And also you can go ahead and have your client instead in here or the freelancer that you're going to recruit. So in here, you're going to select the meaning of the board. So if it is going to contain items, campaigns, creatives, budgets, and etc. So I'm going to use, for example, maybe not projects, but we're going to have tasks. So every project needs to have some tasks to accomplish first. So this is the here, as you can see, the board. You can go ahead and name the tasks of the board in here. You can go ahead and do the task, for example, here, have maybe create, I don't know here, the base I'm going to put it like this. You can go ahead and have here some comments to add and also etc. So you can go ahead and insert some files or mention someone. And for the person, you can go ahead and assign maybe someone or add multiple person for that specific one. So you can go ahead and have the status for that specific, as you can see, task and etc. You can have your due date or a start date or whatever you want. And then you can have here multiple columns that you're going to add into your specific space in here. Now, aside from that, we are going to have the group title. We're going to have this group named as, for example, first step, maybe design. We're going to have only the first step. This is going to be maybe the second step design. for example, like that. And we are going to put between brackets, maybe that we are going to have it as a name of, I don't know. So exactly, we are going to put revision. So revision like that. And then you're going to add another group, for example, or final design, maybe final version. So you can go ahead and assign how many items or how many, let's say here, um, uh, set up the things in here. Um, okay, here we are going to give you an idea on about the specific board. So here we have the board. You can go ahead and add multiple views for that board, like the project I have mentioned before. You can have here the charts, for example, tables. You can have a Kanban or whatever. Now, I am going to create a dashboard. So that dashboard is going to be main, of course. We're going to create it, and then we're going to link it or connect a board for it. So basically, we're going to see the design. So we are going to make that dashboard or the general setting for that dashboard into here. So I'm going to drag and drop the files. Here we are going to have the name of it as design dashboard. Boom. Here we are going to have or connect our widget. You can go ahead and connect whatever widget for you. For example, we have charts. We have also numbers. I can go ahead and add whatever widget we have. Here we have Gantt. As you can see that we have the task on here by the persons and also etc. The name of the task and etc. So it is going to be something simplified in here. So, and these are going to be the dashboard on the board. You can go ahead and create a specific document that is going to have all the instructions for the specific team that you're going to work with. So I'm going to put it in here under the design. Please go here like that. We're going to name it not new doc, but design, designers, instruction for the project. Boom. And you can go ahead and add, for example, tables, board charts, whatever. You can also attach some files, add some text, quotes, codes, whatever you want from here. And here it is, as you can see, very organized. And then do not forget to or set up the file or the doc that you have added. For example, you have inserted maybe a resource here. So you're going to have, or if you want like here maybe a file, a image, a video, whatever. So you're going to have it just like that and add it or connect it to a specific board of yours by adding a column. And then we're going to have file. So we are going to have file, and that file is going to be a doc. So we are going to click on doc and search for the specific doc that we have. And it is going to be linked just like that. So they are not going to forget the basics of that project. So do not forget also to add the files that you're going to have here. So maybe you're going to put here, as you can see, the file. So we are going to have here instruction, and you're going to have it just like that. Add as much as you want from here, and then you're going to have it just like that. So I'm going to also to add here attachment, or we're going to add file also, and we are going to let it as it is, and then we're going to put attach file here. So we are going to have it just like that. So basically that was pretty much it for the design. As you can see, it is going to be fully customizable by creating the project itself, the dashboard or the board. Then you're going to have some docs as instructions, a dashboard for that board that you have. So you're going to have the recap for everything that you have into your project, which is going to help a lot for the organization for the product. You can edit or view that specific as you can see, dashboard, and then you can have everything set up. So as many teams or as many people that you're going to assign into your account, the project normally is going to be did or doing fast. And also if you have here the specific professionals, it is going to be all right. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.